Hello and welcome to ElegantCoder. In this video, we will learn about operators in C++, what they are, their types, and how to use them in a simple program. What is an operator? An operator is a special symbol that performs operations on variables and values. For example, plus, minus, multiplication, division, and comparison symbols like greater than or less than. Types of operators. C++ has many types of operators. Let's go through them one by one. Arithmetic operators like plus, minus, divide, and modulus. Relational operators to compare values like equal, not equal, greater than. Logical operators like and, or, and not. Assignment operators like equal to, plus equals. Increment and decrement operators. Input, output operators, used with CIN and COUT. Arithmetic and relational operators. Arithmetic operators are used for basic calculations, such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Relational operators compare values, like greater than, less than, or equal to. Logical and assignment operators. Logical operators are used to combine conditions. For example, and means both must be true, or means at least one must be true. Assignment operators assign values, like equal sign, plus equal, and so on. For example, a plus equals 5 feet means add 5 to a. Input, output and increment. Decrement is the extraction operator, used with CIN to take input. Is the insertion operator, used with COUT to show output. Increment and decrement operators are used to increase or decrease values by 1. Example, plus plus a means increase a by 1 example program. Let's look at a short C++ program that uses arithmetic, relational, and increment operators. Technologist, read the program clearly, line by line, #include ... iostream ... angle bracket. Using namespace std, int main, inter equals 10, b equals 5, COUT insertion operator, sum. Insertion operator a plus b insertion operator endl, COUT insertion operator, is a greater than b. Insertion operator, a greater than b, insertion operator endl, COUT insertion operator, are after increment, less than plus plus or insertion operator endl, return 0. This program adds two numbers, compares them, and increases the value of a. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Today we learned what operators are, their types, and how to use them in C++. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ElegantCoder. See you in the next lesson.